Welcome to the Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 7, row level security. Alright, so let's see the question. Which of the following is used to define RLS, that means row level security roles, in Power BI desktop? A. Power Query Editor, Data View, Manage Roles, or Report View. So if you have done the RLS, then I'm sure that you are aware of this, but if you have not done, then make sure you do a bit of a research based on the question that I have given and write your answer in the details below. So this type of a question usually comes, and what I have done is I have created a question bank for you, and as you can see I have released the question bank number 1, and there will be few more question banks that I will be showing it to you or sharing with you. So link for this is present in the description, and this is the paid certification question paper. So if you really want to test your skills and want to test where you are standing from various different concepts like DAX, Power Query, Power BI Service, then this question bank will really help you assess your skills and give you the outcome in terms of where you are standing. So make sure you check out those links. Along with that, joining my group, private group link is also present, and the link related to where I keep my videos is also present. So a lot of information I give in the description, so definitely check it out. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you now in the new video with a new topic.